Nat, and Essie, plus Sprinkles the bear. Ruff, ruff. Hey besties, Chase here. We just finished a mission, so now we're just chilling here in the headquarters. But we figure, why don't we learn about colors and different types of vehicles today? Right, Rubble? Rubble? Rubble! Wake up! Wait, what? What's going on? Huh? Remember, we all decided to have some fun with colors and different types of vehicles today with our besties. Oh, yeah, that's right. Whew, sorry. Got a little tired from the mission there, but let's do it. Roof! Yay! Okay, Essie, bring them on the Play-Doh!
For Chase, we have blue Play-Doh. For Sky, pink Play-Doh. For Rubble, yellow Play-Doh. Red Play-Doh for Marshall. Green for Rocky. And orange Play-Doh for Zuma.
Roof! Okie dokie! Now it's time to build our vehicles using our Play-Doh.
You got it, Marshall. We'll start with your Play-Doh.
Roof! Roof! Let's do it!
Okay, so we have here red Play-Doh. Red. Let's roll it up a bit. Roll. Now let's get our cookie cutter, or in this case, we will call it our Play-Doh cutter. Press it in all the way. Take out the excess, and let's use that excess Play-Doh to take out our molded Play-Doh. Slowly but surely. There we go. Whoa! Look at this! Do you guys know what vehicle this is? I see a ladder right there on the top. I see the wheels and our siren lights.
Roof! Okay, besties, do you know what kind of vehicle this is? That's right! It's a fire truck!
Awesome! Now let's turn this Play-Doh fire truck into a toy fire truck.
Do you know anyone who has some magic?
I sure do! Wizard Nat, come on in. Woohoo! This looks super cool! Check this out! It's color red. It says Fire Rescue right here on the side. And it has our siren lights right here on the top. Let's see what happens if we press the green button. Ooh! How about the white button? And the blue button. That is super awesome! Look, this part can even move all around. And here is how the back looks like. Okie dokie dokes, now let's move on to Rubble. Rubble has his yellow Play-Doh.
Roof, roof! Can you see it's my favorite color? Yellow!
I see that. Okay, so let's go ahead and roll this up. Roll, roll, roll. Roll this Play-Doh. And now let's get our mold. Press it in all the way. And let's see what we got. Hey, nice!
Roof! Okay, besties, what is this vehicle called? A train! That's right! Choo-choo!
Let's turn this Play-Doh train into a toy train. Wizard Nat to the rescue!
Whoa! Check this out!
Wow, Wow, so awesome! This train is color black and red. Next up, we got Zuma and our orange Play-Doh. Orange.
Let's do some rolling. Woof.
You got it, Zuma. Rolling it is. Okay, and then here we have our cookie cutter or Play-Doh cutter. Press it on all the way. And ta-da!
Wow, look at that! What is this? A submarine! That's right! A submarine is a vessel that goes underwater.
Whoa, that looks super cool! Let's turn it into a toy!
Wow, there it is! Our submarine!
Let's imagine we're under the ocean.
My turn! And my blue Play-Doh.
Hey there, Chase! You got it. Okay, blue Play-Doh. And here is our mold. Ooh, I'm having a hard time taking this out. Okay, I think I made a progress here. Oh no, it's so hard to take out. Oh well, I guess it's just gonna be stuck in there. But here is our vehicle. Do you guys know what vehicle this is? That's right, it's a police car.
Okay, Wizard Nat, we're ready for your magic. That's an awesome police car!
You are so right! Let's push all the buttons. Whoa! Here's the other one. And one final button here.
I'm just rolling over here with my green Play-Doh.
Hey there, Rocky. Yep, I see it. Here's your green Play-Doh. Green. Roll again. There we go. And then let's press this on again. Ta-da! Whoa! Hey, Rocky, do you know what vehicle this is?
I absolutely do. That's a recycle truck.
A recycle truck. That's right. Okay, let's make it into a toy. Magic time. Woohoo! Here it is.
Yippee! Green means go! Let's go for a ride!
We sure will! Look at this truck though! Isn't it super cool? Here is where the trash goes in, and it will be delivered to a recycling facility. Finally, we have here our pink Play-Doh. But wait, where's our pup for the pink Play-Doh?
I'm over here.
Hey there, Sky. Okay, now that you're here, let's get ready to roll. And when I say roll, literally, we are rolling the dough. There we go. Here is our mold. Whoops, upside down. Press it out. And ta-da!
Hey, I know what that is. It's a helicopter.
That's right, Sky. It is a helicopter. Let's turn it into a toy one. Woohoo! This is super cool. We have our helicopter.
And it's no ordinary helicopter. It's an army helicopter.
Army? Yeah, I see it over there. It says Army. Let's see how it flies. Woohoo! Which one of our vehicles or vessel is your favorite? I like them all. Okie dokie dokes, that's the end of our video. See you again next time. Essie here for Nat and Essie. And remember, stay super. Bye!